My name's Peter Liddell. I'm a volunteer at Ribble Steam Railways in Preston. What I'm standing on here is a wagon turntable. It was rescued from the battlefield line just north of Birmingham, and to be honest it was in a very sorry state. Lots of bits were just rusted beyond use. What we've been doing over the last couple of years, pre-COVID and after COVID, is restoring it so we can turn our industrial engines, which are only 060 and 040. Of course we'll be able to... Now then, I'm from the building trade before I retired. And a lot of our members are from aircraft industry, things like that. So obviously I got the job of trying to guide this project, and I've been working on it. Started off with an absolute massive crater. It was about 8 foot deep at least, because when you stood in the bottom of the crater you couldn't even see the ground level. So we started to put foundations in over the months, and this is where we're at the moment. We've got a revolving bed, we've got locking mechanisms, and pretty soon I think we'll be able to get a track in from this road here, this museum road. We have the points, we have the track, we've got the ability to do it. A lot of things take quite a long time here because we only come down 2 days a week, Saturday and Wednesday. But we're hoping to get this track in before Christmas, hopefully. Obviously we don't run a couple of months up to Christmas, so we'll take that opportunity to forge ahead and get some track onto this turntable. And that's about it. We've got other projects on. We've got to build a coal bunker, get the coal off the car park. There's always something going on at Ribble Steam, and we need volunteers. So if you're listening, come down, have a look round. I'm sure you'll fit in. Thank you.